Setting up Ignite Wi-Fi ports. In today's video, I'm going to guide you how to set up Ignite Wi-Fi ports. The process is quick and simple. You just have to follow these steps till the end. First, make sure your Ignite Wi-Fi gateway is already installed and working properly. Then download and sign into the Ignite Home Connecting app with your Rogers account. Once done, turn on Bluetooth on your phone so it can detect the port nearby. Open the application, then tap on Account option, then choose Activate Ignite Wi-Fi ports and follow the prompts. After that, plug your port directly into a wall outlet. Do not use a power bar or extension cord. Select Plugged in, ready to go in the application. Then keep your phone close to the port while it connects via Bluetooth to complete setup. You can name your port in the app to keep track of it easily. Over the next couple of days, your network will automatically optimize for the best signal. If you face any issues, open the app's network section to check port status or get help fixing problem. And that's all. That's how you will be able to set up Ignite Wi-Fi ports.